Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I don't know when I first came across this, but it's definitely been a few years, probably from NPR or a random podcast. The idea always stuck with me, so I'm excited to learn how to finally make it and do this. There are important dates that I want to document, and thirdly, I've always been bad at wall decor. The idea of putting a random painting on the wall that doesn't have any meaning seems kind of pointless to me. But now we have something meaningful. It will be an interesting conversation starter, and hopefully we can make it pretty and aesthetically pleasing. Let's do some research. Okay, it looks like the only thing we need to buy is some string or rope. The Incas were able to do complicated numbered calculations where all the red ones would add up to the green. I'm looking to do something more simple where each one would just represent a specific date. I don't know yet. We'll think about it while we're shopping. We are back from Michael's. I stood there for a solid 20-30 minutes picking a variety of colors and textures. I'm also thinking about using one of those sticks up there. I've been saving them for some arts and crafts. So let's pick a stick and bring everything inside. Here is a closer look at the different yarns. I didn't do any research, so hopefully the color and texture match looks pretty good in the end. The first date is 11/27. I will be following this PowerPoint presentation with month, day, year, so everything will be in groups of 3. Here's the 3 different knots that I will be using. Let's tie our first knot. That was pretty fun. We have 2, 0, 2, and 1, 2, 3 for 2023. These two have nothing in the thousands and hundreds. A 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 27. Single knot. And the PowerPoint has us use this figure 8 to make a 1 at the end. This E knot. Here is 601, 6 single knots with a figure 8 for that. 4L, this L knot here has 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how they got the 4 at the end there. Let's do a couple more. I'm liking this current length that I've been cutting the yarn at, but there's no specific measurement. I've been eyeballing it and going with whatever length I think looks good with the stick, but they're a little long and getting in the way of the table. So the plan is to move it up a little bit. Should be very easy to do because it's sitting on this little picture hanger that's supposed to hold 20 pounds, which should be more than enough because this is very light. I also want to start adding in these little chips to each of the dates. Let's keep working. Some of the chips I had to drill holes to get the yarn through there, and I didn't know that you pull from this middle part. So I have a few balls of yarn that are unraveled incorrectly. So far, I like how everything looks. Eventually, I will move everything down and make room for new dates. But for now, there isn't too much anything new. I've been following this PowerPoint presentation that I will link. Video number 197 done.